Videoing or?
Yeah.
Are you videoing?
Yeah, well, yeah, that's twice, yeah. I'm only videoing once.
Free time.
I get number on.
No, I don't want to be on it.
Oh, you're going to be on YouTube tomorrow.
I don't think so.
YouTube.
Yeah, you know,
You don't do YouTube, so... Do you? That's good.
Lauren. Marlene, smile to the camera.
YouTube next week.
Where?
They've got sparklers now. Go and get the sparklers.
Sparklers out to them.
What's the recipe for setting fire to the house?
Hey Chris,
How's baby Matthew you look?
Who's that? It's Uncle Phil. Is that Uncle Phil?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Nice up there.
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
He's not going to smile, is he? We've got Bobby when he's in his thing, haven't we?
That's a good thing.
There's Reef. There's Grandad John.
Camera shot.
Auntie Shelley. With her teacups in the head. Oh, still haven't got me on.
Did you stay on for a long time?
it was hot in Turkey.
Better stay with abroad, can't you?
So look, Alice.
Shut forever.
Where you at? So look.
Sure, come on, don't be so funny out.
How are you doing? Oh, no, there, no.
Who did he sound like then?
Back out, Joel.
Sorry, Al.
No, not me.
10.
Be careful what you say.
Where are you going? Leo. Get a smile, Claire.
Sorry. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, mind your jacket.
Yeah, don't touch him then.
James, not in the plant.
Watch out, what are you doing? Don't be silly. Stop it. Are you taking
Well,
off here? Being silly.
Soda.
I'm waiting.